There is an upright pole whose height is 12 feet and it is casting a shadow of 8 feet long. So let me draw this. So there is this pole whose height is 12 feet and the length of the shadow that it is casting is 8 feet. Then there's another nearby upright pole whose shadow is 10 feet long. We don't know the height of the second pole. So this is the shadow which is 8 feet long, and I'll just denote the height of the second pole as x. Note that the question asks us to find the height of the taller pole. Why is it taller? Because the first pole is casting a shadow of length 8 and the second is casting a shadow of length 10. Then this has to be greater than the first pole. So we can directly eliminate option A and option B. Had it been 10, its shadow would be lesser than 8. Had it been 12, its shadow would have been 8 only. Now we have these three options, 14, 15 and 18. The question then says that the length of shadows are proportional to the height of pole. Length of shadows are proportional to the height of pole. So we know that if we want to remove proportionality sign, what we do is we place a constant. So this is our equation. We need to solve this for case 1, find the value of C, and then use that for case 2. So in first case, the length of the shadow is 8 C and height of the pole is 12, which means C is equal to 8 by 12. Now in the second case, we know that the length of the shadow is 10 constant into height. Height is x in this case. So if I want to find x, I need to solve this. From first equation, we already know that the value of C is 8 by 12. So x is 5 into 3, 15 feet tall, and the answer is option D.